AI is powering everything from self-driving cars to virtual assistants. And guess what? People like you are building these systems with no prior experience in tech. If you have decided to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning, I must say you have made a brilliant decision. These are some of the most in-demand future-proof skills globally. AI is reshaping how we live, how we work, how we solve problems, and you can be part of this transformation. So what is AI and machine learning? AI is teaching machines to think and make decisions like humans. Machine learning is how they learn through data, pattern and predictions. From chatbots to medical diagnosis to Netflix recommendation, it's all machine learning in action. People around the world are using AI to predict markets, detect fraud, recommend content, and even create ads. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now and you can be part of it. There is a global race for AI talent, and that includes Nigeria. You could work as an engineer, a machine learning developer, a data scientist, an NLP specialist, or product manager. And with remote work, you can earn globally while living locally. To become a pro, here's what you learn at Bizmarrow Technologies: Python programming, machine learning algorithms, deep learning with TensorFlow and Keras, computer vision and natural language processing (NLP), data preparation for future engineering, model development, and real-life projects. You don't just learn, you build real solutions to make a difference and get your job ready. Here is why you should choose Bizmarrow Technologies. At Bizmarrow, it's all about you because you're getting practical hands-on training, a trainer assigned to you for mentoring and coaching, small-sized classroom, you never get lost because you have full attention, real-life projects before you graduate, online and physical classes, you get to choose where you want to learn from, flexible payment plans to make education accessible to you. We don't just teach, we prepare you for a successful tech career. And the best part, you don't need a degree to get started. If you have one, that's great, but what matters is the right training and the right set of digital skills to succeed in this digital age. So why wait? Register now at Bizmarrow Technologies for our AI and machine learning training. Don't wait, for delay is dangerous. The AI revolution is not slowing down. Bye.